All right, sorry, I forgot to turn on the audio. So for last first 10 minutes, you don't hear any sound. You know the reason why. Basically, we take the trade right here. Is a turtle sub 4 breakout, and it's at resistance level right there. We saw a lot of buy sell liquidity. Let's see. Setup. So let's see. By the way, we didn't do the 8:30 opening bell this morning because something coming up. So we just start at 11 hour today Eastern time. So we do 1 hour. And really apologize for forgot to turn on the audio for first 10 minutes. So, but let's bear with me on that. Yeah, basically yesterday, you remember we reviewed level it on weekly chart. It's one of the key level that we want to watch to see any fall breakout. So we did check the trade right here at the entry is at 11:04, which is the New York time, not Euro time, but it's the New York Q zone ending, right? And then 11. And now we want to see how it behavior. You see, we're not going to move up start a lot right there. We have reached 70 cents and we're going to get a reward $1. 15 cents. Okay. So our risk reward for that trade is gonna be 17 cents. Very low risk rate there, my friend. Like I said, yesterday it's closed at 448.71 and today it's open at 450.09. Yep, 09. So it's about 8. It's $1.28. Yeah, it's $1.28 above. So it opened $1.28 above yesterday close. Uh, 450.09. So look at the pattern you see right there. 1, 2, 3. You can see the three, the huge sell side liquidity build up right here, right? So it read that. I think it's gonna retest the area right there. And if you look, let's take screenshot of this, right? So we want to check screenshot of this risk reward ratio. So how much? It's almost 1 to 8, 1 to 9. So 20.5. Let's say 1 to 6 risk reward ratio right here, right? Estimately, right? Risk reward ratio 1 to 6, which is above our requirement 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. We got that from this number, right? 17 to $1, 15, right? That's our trade, right there. The reason why I want to take this screenshot so we have a record, we document our trade, and also I want to remove this. I want to look at the 1 hour time frame to see what is going on right there. Yeah, I mean, if you look on the 1 hour time frame, let be wrong right here. What's wrong? I mean, what's so bad about being wrong, right? It's part of the process, so don't be afraid to make mistake. Right? In this trade, we have a good entry right here, right? And now the trade is going to our direction, and our target is just right here. But let's see if it's gonna go to where it needs to go. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, you have a reason for it to go down. Let me pull the 1 hour time frame. We will put a 1 hour time frame into the recording screen right now, right? We have 6 screen, multi-screen right there. Okay, let's look 1 hour time frame. So like yesterday, we know this level, right, at 41.36, and it hit that level today. You see, it hit that level, but it's closed below that, and this guy tried again, and what the high of this one? Look at that, 37, but it closed below, right? The same for this guy. But the beauty of that, you see, this guy is 38, just 1 cent above that, and that means it rate the buy side liquidity will rate it. So you can see that gives you some idea right there. So it's gonna go down. Alright, so buy side liquidity will just rate it, and you see, so we think that it's gonna come down here at least to the yesterday close. What the yesterday close? 448, 448.71. That's the yesterday close. Let's go for that. 448 right here, around this area. 448 yesterday close right here. 71 a little bit over here. So we believe that it's gonna come down to this area. But the target for us, we put at what the target for us, we put at the open, right? We put 4, today is 450 09. That's our target. Yeah, that's the open for today on the 1 minute time frame. So 450.09. And the private level is open 9:30. So on the left you see, yep, that's over 9:30. Let's see. Yeah, over 9:30 right there. So let's see. Very interesting. It did not take this buy side liquidity. I mean sell side. You see this the interesting move right here. You see right here, the swing right here. So basically, it take the buy side of that swing, but it have not take the sell side. So right here, I think it's trying to build liquidity before it, before it rip down. That is our, our interpretation right there. We could be wrong. We're open to any possibility, right? In the market, anything happen. If the market gives to us, we give thanks to the market, we take it. If it don't give to us, then we take the stop loss and we're moving on. Let's take a look on wow, we can see that for smart money diversion, it gives us a signal, right? Let's do the documentary here. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. We document. So we can say right here, buy side liquidity rated. So if we signal to go short, but it was not right there, and targets is Friday close at 4:48.71. That is yesterday close, and today is open at 4:50.09. So which is a $1.28 above. So when we see the setup, we just check the trade. If we don't know which trade we're gonna win, that's the beauty of that. So we need to detach ourselves from the outcome of any trade. Our system works with the positive expectancy. That means if we trade a large sum of trade, we will come out profit. Basically, our system is based on probability. You don't want to base on emotion, right? And what we're trying to do around, we try to build our trading system. So if you read the book Market Wizard, right, by Jack D. Schwager, and he makes something very, he makes some comment very interesting. on his Twitter account. If you Google, you can go to his Twitter account, right? You know his he's a famous author, right? Jack D. Swagger. I think it's SCH. It's so like his last name is German. Last name Swagger. Yeah. And look at the book he wrote, Market Wizard. This is author of this book series. You have Market Wizard, and then you have New Market Wizard. Right, and then you have a new one called Unknown. What I mean, you can see anything can possible with the markets. There's no right or wrong, setup. Basically, whatever setup fit with your belief, you can make profits. Yes, some of the people he interview, they don't even have I mean, for some people look from outside, look like they don't have any system at all, but they trade, successfully, consistently. Basically, that guy is based. He just talked to his inner guidance, and whatever his inner guidance tell him to trade, he traded. That's so crazy, right? But it's work. So that's the reason why it's anything possible. You have to open up yourself to all possibility. I think no. So we read all of this book, all history book. I think it's very very knowledge. It provides you a lot of information. The reason why we read the book, because we want to see what other so-called successful traders, what they are doing, and how we can model after they after their success. And when we start our new journey, we wonder, is there anyone who success beat the markets? That's the reason why we research and read this book, and we say that it's possible. People can make profit, people can make money, a lot of money out of stock market. So the first question we have, is that possible to do a day trade or swing trade, whatever trade, can make money and make career out of this? This, when we're reading, we research on this book, the answer is possible. Yes, it's possible. But one thing I want to, like yesterday, I read a statement from Jack, D. Swagger. He just said 10 to 50%. Remember this number of his trade is profitable. That's it. He said only yes. So that means 90%. Look at that, or 85%. This is that's his statement, right? Then from that statement, we can infer that about 80%, 90%, or 85% of history not profitable. It could mean, break even, right? Or loss, right there. And we can infer that his win-loss, right? So-called win rate, just around, very low. If you look from the novel perspective, like us, we thought that real low, right? He only get 10%. Yeah, his win rate basically just 10, maximum 10%. But he say most of the profits from there, and that's trade can make profit for him. So that means that whatever we build, we try to do right now, right? We build our trading system. What we're doing right now is we try to build. We are building, right, or developing our trading system. Okay, that's what we're doing right now. And like we mentioned before, our trading system, the first thing is have to be based on or fitting our belief, you know, our belief, a general belief, philosophy in life in general, right? Who we are, and then you narrow down to call markets or trading belief. What do we believe? Right now we practice the total sub, right? Total sub is a setup, and this also a belief. It's a trading belief. We believe, you know, in the total sub belief that when you have 20 candle, right, 20 candle in any time frame, the total sub they come out with the daily time frame, because I think they use swing trade. So they count the candle daily, right? Basically 20 candle go up, then you're looking for a 4 breakout, and then 20 vice versa, 20 candle going down, you look for a retracement, which is a 4 breakout also. So we're looking for that. Oh, look at this. Should we get out of this trade now? Because you look at that, it create a what right here? A head and shoulder. Here, head, shoulder. You're gonna go up and take the buy side. Is that right? Okay. Okay, so we can move our stop loss to the swing high right here if we feel like right here you want to move our stop loss. Okay, let's watch it for now. Earlier we believe it's gonna break down all the way to the open, and also maybe on a 1 hour time frame we want to see it go to the low of yesterday, 448.71. So let's see. If you see any magic right here, we want to check out this sell side, right? Let's see if it takes out this sell side. So this sell side liquidity 450.70. Hold on, the low 47. Is that 47 yet? 67, 450, 47, 450, 450, 57, 47. Yeah, 47. Wow, it did not take that buy side. You see the quick response right there. So should we move stop loss to here? Let's move the stop loss to here. Move stop loss to here. Or what else? No. Let's move brush stop loss to break even. Okay. We may come back and retest this. Wow, it's breaking now, so we don't have to worry at all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Look at the trade we take. Come on. We take entry right here. Turtle soup, entry short. Man, let's make some beautiful annotation right here. Turtle soup. Whenever you see TS, mean turtle soup. Okay. Short. Entry short. Entry short. Man, just see the setup, take it. No hesitation, because we don't know which trade you're gonna win, we're gonna lose. We just follow the signal. I said, if the market give a profit, take it. If it not, then we donate our stop loss to the market. I said, just easy. No regret, no shame, no guilt. Because we don't know which trade we're gonna win, right? So that's the reason why we have to follow the golden rule. Let the profit run. Right? So right here, if we hit our target beautifully. So the open price is one of the key levels. Okay, let's see. We need to come back to our conversation right here. So basically the turtle soup we trade right here is also a belief, right? Basically it believes that, you know, for 20 candle go up, we need to identify the swing high, and then to see if it create a fall breakout. And that's a belief right there. So that means when we build a develop trend, we have to working on our belief, and which is both general belief, which is our belief about ourselves, about the environment around us, I mean about life in general. And then we also working on the market trading belief. That's our trade system. You have two criteria right there. You have one criteria right here. The second criteria we build for our trading system is have positive, right? Expectancy. Yes, expectancy. Basically the average of the loss, basically average, you know, average or the mean, right? Average loss above divided by average win. I think they do. Hold on. Either way, I think let's go average win, right? Or gain, or average profits divided by average loss. Let me double check on this. I think that could be the reason, because I see that the Holy Grail system have to have this number above 0.8 or 0.7 right there. Okay, so So basically, if we put $1, we will gain 70 cents. Okay, so it's average profit on average loss, I believe. Okay, beautiful. You see that there? It hit our target. The first target open. But we also anticipate it's going to come down to 448.71, which is the close of yesterday. Man, that's amazing. Beautiful. Let's take this screenshot real quick. So first target open at 9:30, 450, right? Which is on 950. So I got open at 450.09, hit at 11:38. So we go in at 11:04, and 34 minutes later we have $1.60 something cent. Let's see now second target, which is Friday close at 448.71. Wow, another $1, right? Another $1.28. Let's see if it do that. Man, we'll go in at the right time, my friend. So beautiful. So beautiful when we it's wonderful, right? Wow, man, look at that beautiful setup. We see that. Give thanks to the universe. Give thanks to the market. The market give us opportunity every day. Abundant opportunity. We don't trade out of FOMO, out of greed, because that's very low awareness stated or state of mind. You don't want to trade out of low awareness state of mind. We want to trade out of very high, awareness or conscious level, which is serenity, compose, peace, abundant, wealth, acceptance, no resistance. And when we trade in that state of mind, we can see the market as it is. We completely in harmony with the market, right? There's no chatter inside ourselves, no judgment. We just stay completely in harmony with the market. And when the market tells us, give us opportunity, it hands to us, we don't have to come and fight it. It will come and fight us. That's the beauty right there. I think that's the secret right there. So if we have a right now we just try one share, right? That's position right there. For what we're doing right now, we try to collect the data to build our trading system. So we have to do one share right there. But later on, if we become more developed advanced trader, we can do position right here. So if we add one position right here, we add one more position right here, and then when we hit right here, we can exit our position, and last one run, we can move the break even right here. Wow, look at that. As soon as it break down the open, then a very strong response. Let's see, because maybe a lot of sell side liquid right here, and you see it's beauty right there, right? It come back and it retests this auto block, and you have a reason to believe that the long setup for this auto block still valid, right? Auto block, huge displacement, follow up right there, and then now a retest. So that's the long setup still valid. So maybe our target, the close of yesterday, is need to be adjusted to this auto block. That's the lesson learned for us right there. So we put our target at this auto block level, right? But our level, the high of this is 449.89. So instead of 448.71, the close of yesterday, we have to put the high of this auto block is 449.89. No, 449.64, and it hit this level. Yeah, so we collect the data right now. You have target 1, target 2, right? Let's define target 2. Target 2 is the auto block height at 449.64. Hit at what time? And you can see this auto block is a very you know why it's a very good auto block? Because here you see, wow, now I can see this is the key level. You know why? Because 4 breakout. Wow, 4 breakout. You see it down, and it's 4 breakout. Wow. So that can help us to identify the target for our short. We have to get out. Oh, right here, you see that? This is a 4 breakout to the sub for long right there. Wow, that's beautiful, and it's confluent with the ITC setup auto block right there. But I think in terms of turtle soup, it make more sense right here. Remember, we don't want to mess up not mess up, but we don't want to trade many system at the same time or messy setup. We just purely concentrate on the turtle soup right now. So let's see what the low of this 449.68. Yeah. 449.68. 68. It hit that level. What is this one? Let me move this to the left. No. Let's remove the level for now. I think we go with the turtle soup much better. In this case, okay. Let's delete this. We go with it level. Turtle soup entry long. Let's make it more noticeable. Right to the right. Turtle soup entry long. So it's gonna go retest that level. See that? That is our target for the short setup. You see how beautiful it is right here? Let's make it to a, yes, so it moves right there, up and down. You see that? That means we are target a move from the 4 breakout to the upside to the 4 breakout to the outside. So now we can clearly see how the liquidity run right there, how the algo run right there with the level, with this liquidity level. We can see very clear. So it's $1.56 move right there. Beautiful. Look at that, my friend. It may come down more. Let's see. 42, right? So our first target is open at 9:30 at the price 450.09. It's very logic, right? Very reasonable, and it hit it. Then the next target for us is whether this order block or this turtle soup. So we decided to go to turtle level right there, which is at 448.68 right there. So we can say that target 2, we did turtle soup level at 449.68, and it hit at what time? 11:42. And that conclude a $1.56 move. That $1 down move. Okay. Yeah, it's about 30-minute trade for it right there. That's a beautiful setup. Now we can see things very clear, my friend. You can see that all this level where it come from, right? Before it's like the internet headline for us, but after we practice for a while, we can clearly see, you know, how the algorithm run and how the price were manipulate, you can say that, or engineer. At 11:42. I think it's 68, 449, 68, right? Yes. Man, look at that. Now we know how to read the chart. Now look at that. Did level and did level. Wow. Beautiful. Now we know that. Oh, what a wonderful word. What a wonderful day for us. We are so grateful for this lesson that the market teaches right there. Let the market give us opportunities so we don't have to chase them at all. Okay, in terms of the total sub level, let's say it's break down this level. So far it did not. You see that? It closed above. It looked like it break, but it did not. It go. And now let's see. And you can trade at that level or at 4 breakout also. You see down, right? You can see this at that breakout level if you want to. But let's stick with this one. With the level to see if we break down at 449.68 level. So I think we've done enough for this trade, right? We have 2 targets and both of them hit, right? We adjust the second target to this 9:30 open and then the total sub level, so we can good and close up this hour trading hour. But I want to go back here a little bit to wrap this up. So basically what we are doing right now is we try to build our trading system, and we're working on our belief, and also we try to build a positive expectancies, and and that's what we're doing right now. We practice, we collect the data, right? We are in early stage. It may take 1 or 2 years to but from our research it takes at least 1 to 2 years to working on our belief, and then from there at the same time maybe we can develop our trading system. And our trading system is first factor, and the most critical is ourselves in there, right? And then you have a working system, which is a positive expectancy system right there. And in that there are 2 positive, right, expectancy. I mean, we can develop one system or many systems, right? It's in there. Because one of the factors that our system have to be what? It have to be in all market time. Maybe when we just start out, we just cover one type of markets. Maybe I think there's 6 type of markets. Basically break down in 2 kinds, right? It's bear versus bull markets, and then from there you also add the volatility in there. Volatility in there, so it creates a combination of 6 type market. That's our initial research. We can do deep dive on that, but that's what we want to bring up to our discussion, so we know the journey that we are at and where we're heading to. And one more thing we want to bring up from our research is that when we develop our trading system, one of the key factors is that not only it covers all type of market type, but it also, oh yeah, there's 2 kind of trading system, right? And this one is called mechanical system. Basically, there's no human involved. You just let you automate. It's completely automated, right? Or 100% automated, or in other words, computerized. Basically, you let the software or an app, handle that for you. You don't do anything. It's just like they call a trading bot right there. And the second system that we do is called rule-based discretionary system. Basically, we are the one who make the trade based on certain rule. So we are making the trading decision in the real time. Okay, so that's what we are at the center of this trading system. And from our research, they say 90% of this is the people who trade on this. Only 10% is the successful, mechanical system. Majority is human, rule-based. And this is the research that we found. Maybe now it's changed, but this number is 2000. Remember, we got this number from our research 2007. That's the number we got. So maybe now, what's now 2023? So I don't know, 16 years later, maybe now all computer or algorithm run. But for ourselves, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do rule-based. Because in order to go to mechanic system, automate, first we have to understand the system. That being ourselves, we have to understand, we have to practice, we have to trade it day in and day out, and we understand our system so well. That's the reason why we can automate. You cannot just automate on the day one. You don't have that. You don't have the conviction, you don't have experience, you don't have resource, all kind of that. We can go out and buy a already built system, right? A lot of people do that, but we decide not to go to that route because it doesn't fit to our belief, right? Because it doesn't fit to our belief. We believe that we must do better. I mean, we could be wrong, but our decision right now is we go with this one, rule-based discretionary system. And what we're doing right now on daily basis, we collect the data, and we use TurtleSoup and other Confluent ICT concept, right? And also the DR model to solidify our setup. Okay. All right, I think that's it for now. I want you to take a look at real quick on the DR model before we wrap it up. Actually, the DR model gives us a bullish signal, but you know what? Because it's bullish signal, so it's close above the implied DR high. That's the reason why bullish right there. So that's why we have the reason to believe that this is the level that the low for the day, which is the total soup entry level right there, 449.68. So we don't expect it to go out all the way down to the close yesterday, which is 448.71. I don't think it realistic, because based on the DR model, it's not gonna work. So we are okay with the second target right here, right? You remember we okay with second target right here. You remember we did talk about that on the 1 hour time frame. When the 1 hour time frame? All right. Okay, you see that 1 hour time? Wow, we put it. So we want to close at around its level. Yesterday close right above 448.71. But too much it did not. There's a 4 breakout right there, and according to the R model, it's gonna be the low of the day. It's not gonna break down. But anyway, the more DR model could be wrong here though. So, but anyway, we wrap up right here. Let's see. See you back in the an update review for today in the afternoon, and we will pick up from there. Bye for now. Have a wonderful and glorious day.